Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Today's video is me wearing a blonde hair for the very first time. Like, I don't wear blonde hairs at all. I don't wear blonde hair. I don't even wear red lipsticks. You hardly catch me wearing red lipsticks. So today I decided to switch the lipstick from pink to red. I wore a pink lipstick and a red lipstick. So yeah, and you also get to watch me make a closure with this hair, stretch the hair, make it look this beautiful, because it was actually tangled. It was very rough when I got the hair. So yeah, continue to watch this video to the end. I'll see you at the end of this video.
Elegance to many mansions. The girls in the Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing, jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Guys, this is the hair after washing and drying it. Create or DIY closure using scissors first to cut off the bands of the weave-on. After cutting the bands, we'll use a small comb or a mini comb to brush out short hairs so that I won't have any issue while ventilating. Now that the hair is ready for ventilating, using a ventilating needle, closure net, mannequin head and mannequin stand, we'll start ventilating. We'll put the link of a detailed ventilating video in the description box below in case if you are interested in learning how to ventilate, because this video is not a detailed ventilating video. I will also put the link to where you can get the materials of ventilating in the description box below in case if you are interested in buying any of the materials. For ventilating, just push the needle through the net, take 1 or 2 strings of the hair, push it through the loop and create a knot. Keep doing this until you are satisfied with the closure. After ventilating, we'll make a wig with the weave-on, sewing the hair to the cap using needle and thread. We'll sew until I get to the front, then join the weave-on and the closure together.
Near Pro Music Production scene.
We'll just quickly wear makeup, starting from cleaning my face with a baby wipe because you don't want to wear makeup on a dirty face. Moisturizing my face first with black opal moisturizer, then I'll prime my face with Pond's. After that, I'll apply Afterglow. To cover up the dark spots on my face, we use Hegia concealer in orange, and after applying it, I'll blend it with a brush before going in with the foundation. For foundation, I'm using Maybellene and Mary Kay Time Wise because I really want to achieve full coverage this time around, and I'll leave all the details of the products I use on my face in the description box below. Please check it out. Applying it first with a standard foundation brush first before going in with a blending sponge, because blending sponge always soak up the product or soak up the foundation, so I prefer this method.
Yeah, Pro Music Production.
setting underneath my eyes, my forehead and the bridge of my nose with LA Girl concealer in cream beige. Blending with a beauty sponge. After blending, I'll go ahead to use the part I used to apply foundation to go over everything so that there won't be any demarcation between the concealer and the foundation.
Near Pro Music Production scene. Near Pro Music Production.
Using Sacha Buttercup to set the concealer applied. Quickly define my brows with Airwoman eyebrow pencil and then hegia and Esther brow filler. After that, we use classic concealer to clean up the brows. Then we use a brush to blend everything.
Yeah, Pro Music Production.
Okay, for the eyes, I actually use this color, the yellow. After the yellow, I use this. After this, I use these two together. That's for the lid. Now I'm going to go in with this one right here, as I'm going to smudge it underneath my eye. I'm just dusting, setting and blending the powder with classic powder. This product is really affordable and it's nice.
Yeah, Pro Music Production.
For my lips, I'm lining it with Zaron lip liner in brown. Then we'll go in with NYS lip stain and it retails for just 500 naira. It's so nice, very nice. Guys, just ignore this face because it's my first time trying a blonde hair and I feel so different. At first I was thinking that the hair wasn't looking good on me at all and that I would not be able to make it work because of how rough it was when I first washed it from the beginning, but I love it. But thank God it worked out so well. Using this mini hair dryer to straighten the hair so that it will look totally straight, but I really tried for it to look straight, but this was the best I could get. Anyways, it's still fine. I still love it.
Near Pro Music Production scene. Production scene.
So guys, I just decided to switch the lips to this color right here, and I don't know if it actually suits me. What do you guys think about it? I don't usually do this, like wear blonde or wear red lipstick. It's not my thing. This is my first time, so I would like to see your comments in the comment section so that I'll know if I should start wearing red lipsticks from now henceforth. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you like and you're able to learn 1 or 2 things from here. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share to friends and family, comment and subscribe if you haven't. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.